Scuba diving for the first time in Sharm El Sheikh. Hey, I'm Ayaan Khan, a 10-year-old PADI junior open water diver. Let me take you on my first scuba diving adventure. As a beginner scuba diver, I was filled with excitement and apprehension. However, with the expert guidance of my instructor, I quickly gained confidence and immersed myself in the breathtaking underwater world. Sharm El Sheikh's crystal clear water and vibrant marine life provided the perfect backdrop for my first time scuba diving experience. Exploring colorful coral reefs, encountering tropical fish, and witnessing the beauty of underwater ecosystems left me awestruck in wonderland. Whether it's the feeling of weightlessness, the sound of your breath underwater, or the incredible sights that greet you at every turn, the first time scuba diving experience is nothing short of magical. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more thrilling underwater journeys.